Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, obviously, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines, and I've applied them previously. It is because I want to actually show you the evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to open the settings, we have to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it and let's tap the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here, we've got Restore to Defaults option, so let's tap on it and tap on Restore to Defaults again. And as you can see, actually nothing changed, but let's take a look at the grid option. The switcher is turned off, and after getting back to the camera, we can see that the helper lines simply disappeared, so it means that the reset option actually worked, and we just restore all the default settings in this camera. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.